Hey you guys, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel. What it do? Alright you guys, so since we've been in quarantine, I really haven't been doing any major shopping, because let's face it, I really don't go anywhere besides the grocery store and Sam's and stuff like that. But I have been doing a little luxury shopping. So you guys, I'm going to show you all what I bought. I was perusing online one night on Saks and I saw this item, but this item was on pre-order and it said that I couldn't get it until December. I was going to pre-order it, but I was just like, this is not something that I would use in December, this is something that I would use now. So I was on Instagram and I saw that a lady that I follow on Instagram who lives in Hawaii, she had it. So I was like, if she has it now, there has to be a way for me to get it. So you guys, I went on the hunt. Now this is already out in different colors, but I wanted this particular color. So this is the box it came in. Only thing I did was pull my address off. I do that with everything and just open the box, but I decided that I wanted to do a unboxing with you guys. So I found this on the website. I think it's called 24S. I'll link it down below. So this is how it comes, and my receipt. Yeah, this is my receipt. It came relatively quick, you guys. Okay, so when you open it, magnetic box. This is nice. Isn't that cute? Look at that. That is so cute. Open it up like that. That is adorable. That is so adorable. Really nice packaging. And let's see what this is. This is just like, if I wanted to return it, stuff like that. That's in that. Sorry. And this is so cute. And the item that I got is from Gucci. This is the first thing that I have ever purchased from Gucci. I was going to get the mini Marmont bag, but I'm on the fence about it, so I haven't gotten it yet. This is so cute, the little dust bag. This feels nice. Alright you guys, and this is the item that I got. Oh my goodness. This powder blue card case. Oh my goodness you guys. This is so cute. It's even cuter in person. Oh my goodness. On the Saks website you can get the green ones, like a mint green. Is it the mint green and the pink? Or is it the yellow and the pink? It's two colors you can get now and two colors that you cannot. But I fell in love with this blue one. I think that this is more summer, spring, not fall, winter. That's why I was like, I didn't want to wait till December to purchase this. But this is so gorgeous. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. Plus the slot here in the middle. We can just put a few dollars in cash in here, and I think this is enough to carry my driver's license and the 4 or 5 cards that I carry often. Oh my god, I'm in love. I am so in love, you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's this. The little booklet. I will put the exact name and the website that I got this from in the description box. This was $250, and that's how much it is on Saks as well. But yeah, you guys, look at it. It's so gorgeous. I'm so in love. I don't have any powder blue bags, nor do I think I would ever buy one, because y'all know I'm basic. I like black. So yeah, this is my little Gucci card holder. I'm in love. Let me know what you guys think. Would you all buy one of these? Like, it's just so puffy, and oh, I'm so in love. The silver hardware. Yes. So you guys, I just wanted to stop through real quick and show you guys my cute little Gucci card holder. And if you like this type of video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.